So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Magic Mixies Color Surprise Magic Cauldron Reveal a Mixie Plushie, okay? This is these are 2 of the 6 that are available, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and pull one aside so you guys can actually see what you're getting. I actually have twins, so I have a boy and a girl, so we have one for each of them. And I'm going to go ahead and set this one aside so we can take a look at what you're going to get when you receive this, okay? First and foremost, Magic Mixies Color Surprise Magic, right? Obviously, this is going to most definitely be smaller than the other Magic Mixes that you guys have seen, the larger version of it that's in the crystal ball, right? So significantly smaller than that, but it is still pretty big, okay? So I have 2 hands on it right now, and it is a nice size item, okay? So on top of that, you're going to be able to make a potion, okay? You're also going to have an opportunity to collect all 6 plush Mixies, okay? And they have all the cute little Mixies on the front that you can see here. Of course, when you remove it, you won't have that, but there are some instructions on the inside, and then of course you'll have the paperwork that show you the other Mixies that you'll have as options, okay? So just looking at the back here, you're gonna have a potion you can create. There's also some color changing features on this as well that allow you to be able to use water to not only make the potion, but also change the colors of the gem and the other items that are actually within this cauldron. So we are super excited to check this out, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it does when the kids open them. So really quickly, before I show you guys the demo of everything, I wanted to also make mention of this. If you are someone who plans to just collect all of the Magic Mixie Plushies, just know that you're gonna be able to tell if you got a different Mixie Plushie, okay, by the eyes, all right? So I'm gonna show you guys real quick because this is an unknown fact by a lot of people. So if you look at the eyes, you'll see this one has a leaf on it, okay, and they have purple eyes, and then you're gonna see this one has green eyes, okay, and this one has like a lightning bolt on it, okay? So that indicates the specific plushie that's within this Magic Mixies Cauldron, okay? So I wanna give you guys that heads up, and you're gonna see those same eyes on the little animals, the little plushies that you have on the inside of these cauldrons too. So I went ahead and took off the cauldron top, which is what I showed you guys a second ago. And I wanted to show this to you guys real quick before the kids tear into this, okay? So you're gonna have your bottle for your potion. You're also going to have your potion. So this is like the powder for the potion itself. And then you'll also have this little leaflet here that I'm sure has everything to do with the potion that they're creating. And then right here, you'll wanna stop right here, read this first. This right here is what's going to be a part of what you're going to, you know, be able to use for the effect, okay? I think this is where they pour their potion in to reveal their actual plushie. So once you get to this point, this is when you want to start to go ahead and pay attention to the instructions to do exactly what needs to be done for this toy. All right, guys, so right over here is our potion bags, boom, okay? And it's got our little potion powder. So here we go.
Boom, boom, Can I do it now?
Go ahead and pour them right in here. Make sure you spread it out evenly all over it, okay? Don't get it on the floor. So you're gonna take the scroll and your kiddos are going to name their Magic Mixie Plushie and then put the name right here on the scroll. And I think we're supposed to be adding this to the cauldron too. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our naming scroll and put it right on top of that. So Foxy and Unicorn, go ahead and put it right on top.
I had unicorn, I hot.
I know, so do I. Next up, guys, we are going to be pouring all of our water on the Bubble N Fizz Dust. So let's see what happens. Go ahead.
Can I do it?
Uh-huh.
I'm scared of this. I'm scared of this.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared!
Keep on going, keep on going.
We got all kinds of family encouragement here, guys, okay? Grandma's over here, and she's seeing this too. Ooh! All right, so next up, we're gonna remove the gem top to reveal our Mixie Plushie and Magical Surprises. Oh my gosh! Let me help you, baby, let me help you.
It's slippery.
Yeah, it is a little slippery. Here's the first reveal, guys. Look at this, how cute is this? Here is the other reveal, guys. Yes. So cute. So these are the other items you get on the bottom underneath your plushie as well. And so looks like there's another potion. This is the wand right over here that you can squeeze, kind of a squeezy tube to use to color change their gems. And then of course we've got this right over here too. So they're gonna be able to have some more fun with these guys. You can hear they're very excited.